Hey guys, Jim Bass Group and Real Estate Teams with your weekly real estate update. So if you're like me, you're a little bit nervous these days watching the stock market. However, we all know it is a long-term investment. I'm a capitalist. I'm a firm believer in the U.S. economy and the U.S. workforce. I know we will rally back bigger and better than we were a year from now. But what I also know is real estate is the sole most important and largest financial asset the average person has. It appreciated over $60,000 last year. That's crazy. The average home in America right now is $400,000. Frederick's actually a little better than that. It's not quite $500,000, but for quick math, let's just use $500,000. If you put 5% down, it's $25,000 down payment. Even ultra conservative, 2% a year for the next 5 years, it's 10%, right? 10% return on investment. That's $50,000 return. It already appreciated $60,000 last year in 1 year. I'm saying ultra conservative, 2% a year for 5 years is 10%. It's $50,000. You put down 25, it's worth 50 more. That's a 200% return on investment. It's one of the safest things we got to do. We got to pay for a roof over our head anyhow. You're paying a mortgage. It might as well be your own. So if you're renting on the sidelines, waiting for it to pull back, we don't see it happening anytime soon. Buyer demand is still outpacing supply. So I would encourage you to get in while home values are still appreciating. Having that said, if you're considering downsizing in the next year or two, we should probably be having a conversation. As the market starts to balance, I don't know that buyer demand will be nearly as strong. So it's an easy conversation, just part of, I think, your estate planning or relocation, opportunities. You can also, if you're kind of curious about values, you can go to my website at sellyourhometopdollar.com. Again, sellyourhometopdollar.com for a free automated valuation. That's not nearly as accurate as us walking through the home, but to give you a kind of rough idea through our algorithms. If you're still considering a dream home, upgrading to the dream home, or even investment, there again, still opportunities, things are still appreciating. You're worried about mortgage, you can always refinance. We're working with some of the biggest lender partners in the nation. I guarantee you rates are going to be dropping in the next year or so. Freddie and Fannie are talking about mid next year. We also have some creative loan programs that will kind of ease or counteract some of the appreciating interest rates right now as well. So if you're curious about home value, go to my website and check out your value. If you just are curious about whether you should buy or not, let's connect. Let's talk. Let's have a brief conversation, right? The right information literally is the difference between tens of thousands of dollars more or less in your pocket. Jim Bass Group is a 30-year proven entity. Real estate experience isn't expensive. It's priceless. Jim Bass Group, Real Estate Teams, 301-695-0000, the easiest number in real estate. Brokers 301-695-3020.